Artificial intelligence is evolving faster than ever. Every month, new AI tools appear that can help you create content, automate tasks, build businesses, and save hours of work. The problem is that most of these tools are either expensive, complicated, or simply not worth your time. So in this video, I'll show you 10 of the best free AI tools you must try in 2026. Some of these tools can help you create videos, generate images, automate writing, and even build online income streams. Let's get started. ChatGPT AI Assistant. One of the most powerful AI tools available today is ChatGPT. This AI assistant can help you write articles, generate business ideas, create YouTube scripts, analyze information, and even help you learn new skills faster. Many entrepreneurs now use ChatGPT to automate parts of their workflow. For example, you can use it to generate blog posts, social media content, marketing copy, research summaries. Even the free version is incredibly powerful. And for many people, it has become an essential productivity tool. Perplexity AI Smart Research. If you've ever spent hours searching the internet for information, this tool will change how you research. Perplexity AI works like a smart search engine powered by artificial intelligence. Instead of giving you hundreds of links, it provides direct answers with sources. This makes it extremely useful for research, learning new topics, analyzing news, gathering business insights. Many creators and students now use Perplexity instead of traditional search engines. Leonardo AI Image Creation. Leonardo AI is one of the best tools for generating images with artificial intelligence. You can create digital art game assets, illustrations, thumbnails, marketing visuals. All you need is a short text prompt. For example, you can ask it to generate futuristic cities, cinematic landscapes, or professional-looking artwork in seconds. Many content creators now use tools like Leonardo AI to produce visuals for videos, websites, and online businesses. Canva AI Design. Canva has evolved from a simple design tool into a powerful AI-powered platform. With Canva AI features, you can now generate designs automatically, create presentations, edit images, and even generate marketing content. One of the most useful features is Magic Design, which allows you to generate complete visual layouts with just a few clicks. This makes Canva perfect for beginners who want to create professional graphics without design experience. Runway ML AI Video Creation. Runway ML is one of the most advanced AI video tools available. It allows creators to generate and edit videos using artificial intelligence. Some of its features include AI video editing, background removal, text-to-video generation, motion tracking. These tools were once only available in professional studios, but now anyone can access them online. This is why Runway is becoming extremely popular among content creators. Pika AI Animation. Pika is another powerful AI tool for generating short videos and animations. With simple prompts, you can create animated scenes, cinematic clips, and stylized video content. Many creators use Pika to generate visuals for social media or YouTube videos. The technology behind these tools is improving quickly, and they are becoming easier to use every year. Notion AI Smart Workspace. Notion is already a popular productivity tool, but Notion AI makes it even more powerful. With AI features integrated directly into your workspace, you can summarize notes, generate ideas, write documents faster, organize projects. Many startups and freelancers use Notion to manage their entire workflow. The AI features help automate tasks that would normally take hours. PlayHT AI Voice. If you want to create videos, podcasts, or audio content, PlayHT is an excellent AI voice generator. It allows you to convert text into natural-sounding speech. Many YouTube creators use tools like PlayHT to generate voiceovers for faceless videos. Instead of recording audio manually, you can simply paste your script and generate a professional voice in seconds. Pictory. Text-to-video. Pictory is designed to turn text into videos automatically. You can paste a script or article, and the platform will generate a complete video with visuals and captions. This makes it very useful for creators who want to produce content quickly. Many faceless YouTube channels use tools like Pictory to automate video production. CapCut AI Editing. CapCut is one of the most popular video editors used by creators today. It includes several AI features such as automatic captions, background removal, AI effects, quick editing tools. The interface is simple, which makes it ideal for beginners. and many creators use CapCut to edit both YouTube videos and short-form content. Conclusion: artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming how people work, create, and build online businesses. The tools we explored today are only a small part of what is becoming possible with AI. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, student, or simply curious about new technology, learning how to use AI tools can give you a huge advantage, and many of these tools are available completely free. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more AI tools that can save time and help you build income online, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.